I just saw that Josh had made a new move. You bought more Snap, which got upgraded today, by the way, to buy from hold, which is an interesting call. I think it was at Deutsche. Yeah, Deutsche Bank. They raised the price target to 19 from 10. Talk about a stock that's just ripped lately. I mean, you upgraded it yourself on this program many weeks ago.
I've never liked it since it came public up until a couple of weeks ago. I've been gradually adding to it. They have a quarterly report coming up. I think it's the 6th or the 7th. I should probably have my head examined for adding to it before the quarter. But here's what Deutsche Bank had to say. They're talking about this ad platform rebuild. If you recall, Snap is as bad or worse than Twitter at the advertising business, which is their main business, so that's funny. But they just have never gotten that right. However, they've been making some really key hires from places like Alphabet in recent history. And Deutsche is looking at recent ad checks that they think tell them there's momentum from Q3 into Q4 and possibly a reacceleration into Q1 on the back of that. When is the last time you've heard of anything like that? In addition, the Snap Plus product, I think, is the key to the whole story. They now have 7 million people paying $3.99 a month to get friendship superpowers. And we're talking about kids, but Snap owns that market. If they're talking about 14 million by the end of this year, if they can confirm that they're still on track to have 14 million paid subs and the ad platform story remains intact, that revamp, I think the stock's okay. So I'm in it. I don't trust them at all. I would probably add to it if they have a good report. I would rather pay up. I'd rather pay up with some confirmation.
I don't trust them at all.
I really don't.
We should frame
I'm being honest. I'm being very honest.
I know you are. That's the beauty of it, is that you're being that honest. Am. Yes, you are.
To a fault.
Let me highlight, or not. Let me highlight another move. You trimmed United Rentals.
Right.
Tell us about that.
Do you remember we did this 3 weeks ago, too? So we bought this in 2015 at $77 a share. 3 weeks ago, we trimmed it when the stock was at $5.53. We trimmed it again yesterday after they announced earnings at $6.53. And it was wild because when we trimmed it yesterday, the shares were up $75 a share, which is basically what we paid for it way back. And what was interesting was they have a long history of earnings reports that are like really good, and then the stock just goes down for no good reason. What happened yesterday was it was a good earnings report, not the best, and the stock went up a lot. And we thought, okay, so this is a stock that's now trading at 15 times. Historically, it's traded at 8 to 10 times. We think the growth is still there. It's not going to make for another 60% year like we had last year. Let's take some off the table. Let's get it back down to a 3% position in the portfolio. Sit on that cash on the sidelines, repurpose it later.